Have you ever wondered what would happen if we land on Pluto? Imagine, if you will, venturing to the outermost reaches of our solar system, where the tiny, icy world of Pluto resides. This fascinating dwarf planet, once the ninth member of our solar system, has always been shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Despite its demotion, our interest in Pluto hasn't waned. Instead, it has sparked a burning curiosity. What secrets does this distant celestial body hold? How would a landing on its icy terrain unfold? The question isn't just about the physical act of landing, but what such a milestone would mean for humanity. Pluto, the celestial underdog, is more than just a far-off speck in our telescopes. It's a testament to the boundless curiosity that drives us, the same curiosity that once made us look up at the moon and dream of one day setting foot on it. Join us on this journey as we explore the possibilities of landing on the mysterious Pluto. Reaching Pluto is not a walk in the park. It's a journey that takes us to the edge of our solar system, a voyage of such epic proportions that it's hard to fully comprehend. Imagine, if you will, a journey that spans nearly 5 billion miles. That's the equivalent of traveling to the moon and back over 10,000 times. And it's not just a matter of distance. The speed required to reach Pluto is mind-boggling. We're not talking about the speed of a car or a plane or even a rocket. We're talking about a speed that's measured in tens of thousands of miles per hour. The New Horizons probe, the fastest spacecraft ever launched, reached speeds of over 58,000 miles per hour, and it still took nearly a decade to reach Pluto. But the challenges of space travel don't stop at distance and speed. There's also the harsh, unforgiving conditions of space itself. Without an atmosphere to protect it, a spacecraft must endure extreme temperatures, both blistering heat and bone-chilling cold. It must withstand the constant bombardment of cosmic rays, particles that can damage or even destroy its delicate electronics. And it must navigate a sea of space debris, from tiny dust particles to mountain-sized asteroids, any of which could spell disaster for the mission. Even with our most advanced technology, the journey to Pluto pushes the boundaries of what is possible. The New Horizons probe, a marvel of modern engineering, carried with it the hopes and dreams of countless scientists and space enthusiasts. It was a testament to our insatiable curiosity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, our refusal to be confined by the limits of our own planet. And once we've traversed the 4.67 billion miles of hostile space, the real challenge begins: landing on Pluto. Pluto is not your typical tourist destination. Imagine trading in sunny beaches and palm trees for a landscape of ice and rock, under a dim and distant sun. Welcome to Pluto, the icy dwarf planet, a world so different from our own that it might as well be out of a science fiction novel. Pluto's terrain is, in a word, cold. But cold might be a bit of an understatement. The average temperature on Pluto swings between -375 to -400 degrees Fahrenheit. To put this into perspective, the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was -128 degrees Fahrenheit in Antarctica. Pluto's temperature is nearly 3 times colder than that. The icy terrain is primarily composed of nitrogen, methane and carbon monoxide, frozen so solidly that it might as well be rock. But the chill factor is not the only issue with Pluto. The planet's atmosphere, or rather the lack thereof, poses its own set of challenges. Unlike Earth, with its protective layer of air, Pluto has a thin, weak atmosphere. This atmosphere expands when Pluto is closer to the Sun, and collapses as a frost when it moves further away. And remember, this is not a breathable atmosphere. It's mostly nitrogen, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. These conditions make landing a spacecraft on Pluto a Herculean task. The icy terrain could easily damage a spacecraft, and the lack of atmosphere makes landing incredibly difficult. Think about trying to land a plane without any air to slow it down. And what about human survival? The harsh temperatures and lack of oxygen make it an extremely hostile environment. Without proper protection, humans would freeze instantly, and even with the most advanced spacesuits, we would only be able to survive for a very short time. Despite these challenges, our curiosity about the universe pushes us to explore even the most inhospitable corners of our solar system. So, if we managed to land on Pluto, would we be able to survive? That's a question we'll delve into next. Surviving on Pluto is like trying to live in the heart of Antarctica, but colder. Imagine, if you will, stepping out onto a landscape where the temperature is always a chilling 240 degrees below zero. The air is thin, almost non-existent, and the sky overhead is a dark starlit expanse. This is Pluto, a dwarf planet on the edges of our solar system, and it presents challenges unlike anything we've faced on Earth. First and foremost, we would need to bring our own oxygen. The atmosphere on Pluto is mostly nitrogen, with only a smattering of methane and carbon monoxide. Breathing in such an environment would be impossible without the aid of life-supporting technology. We would need to carry our own oxygen tanks or have a way to generate it on site, a feat that requires not only advanced technology, but also a reliable power source. Next, we'd have to contend with the extreme cold. The average temperature on Pluto is so cold that nitrogen, a gas we're used to breathing in our atmosphere, freezes solid. We'd need to develop suits and habitats that can withstand these temperatures and keep us warm. This means using advanced materials and insulation, as well as efficient heating systems. And then there's the issue of resources. Unlike Earth, Pluto doesn't have readily available water or food. We'd need to bring our own supplies or figure out a way to produce them there. This could involve using ice found on Pluto and converting it into water, or growing food in specialized indoor farms. This is no small task. It would require years of planning, billions of dollars in funding, and the brightest minds in science and engineering. But if we're able to overcome these challenges, it would be a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to explore the unknown. But let's say we've overcome all these hurdles, what then? What would life on Pluto look like? Life on Pluto is unlike anything we could imagine on Earth. In this icy wonderland, a day lasts for more than 6 Earth days, and a year spans a staggering 248 of our years. The sun, our familiar daytime star, appears as a distant bright speck in the sky, its warmth barely reaching the frigid surface of Pluto. Yet in this seemingly inhospitable world, there lies a potential for exploration and discovery that is as vast as the cosmos itself. Pluto, a dwarf planet at the edge of our solar system, is a treasure trove of unique features and phenomena. Its heart-shaped glacier, known as Tomball Regio, is the size of Texas and Oklahoma combined, a testament to the planet's geologic activity. The glacier is made of nitrogen ice, something we don't find on Earth, which promises to provide new insights into our understanding of the universe. Pluto's moons, too, present a fascinating area of study. Charon, the largest of them all, is so massive in relation to Pluto that they both revolve around a point in space between them, a dance of celestial bodies unlike anything else in our solar system. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of life on Pluto is the potential for groundbreaking scientific discovery. With every new data we collect, with every image we capture, we peel back a layer of the unknown, venturing further into the last frontier of human knowledge. The unknowns and possibilities that life on Pluto presents are immense. They challenge our understanding of the universe and our place within it. They push us to innovate, to dream, and to explore. They remind us that there is always more to learn, more to discover, and more to understand. So while landing on Pluto remains a distant dream, the journey there is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. The journey to Pluto is a harsh, long, and cold one. Indeed, from overcoming the daunting challenges of space travel to making our landing on the icy terrain, it's a journey that tests the very limits of human endeavour. Yet, within these challenges lie opportunities for exploration, discovery, and a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. The conditions on Pluto, with its sub-zero climate and alien landscapes, may seem inhospitable. But necessity has always been the mother of invention, and within these harsh conditions we find the possibility for human survival. It's a tantalizing prospect, one that could reshape our understanding of life and its potential to thrive in the most unlikely of places. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what we'll uncover next? Until then, keep looking up and wondering, because that's where the journey begins.